Happy birthday, Shalil. Yolo is also saying happy birthday. You're the best husband. You're the best husband, best father. See, he's also excited to say happy birthday, Shalil.
Hi Salil, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. It's your 50th one, and I'm pretty sure that you will make the hangover worth it. So here's to another 50. And the Salil that I know has always been fun loving. He has always been humorous, and many a times it's self depreciating humor, right? But what I really love about Salil is his Salilisms. I think Salil, just continue with them. You make everyone laugh and happy. Whenever you do your one-liners out there, right? So stay blessed, and see you at your 100th. Bye bye.
Hi Salurane, here's wishing you a happy 50th and many more to come. God bless you with many more. Take care and have a good one.
राने जन्मदिन की खूब खूब बधाई. ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहो और हमें पार्टी देते रहो. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Yes, Salil, wish you a very happy birthday and congratulations on completing your half century. Actually, let me take this opportunity to thank you for being my boss, for being my mentor, and although I must admit that you never treated me like an employee, you have always treated me like a friend, like a colleague. I remember whenever I had any problems being on professional matters, personal matters, you are always at my rescue. And believe me, your advices, your help on those matters really help me overcome those situations. And I must also say that your penchant for being healthy, being joyful under any circumstances really rubs on your colleagues, your friends, people like us, and it really helps us. And your love for humans, your love for animals, for your dogs is exemplary. And here is wishing you another half century with equal happiness, togetherness with your family, and may God see you with completing your century with equal ease. Wish you a very happy birthday, Salil. God bless.
Happy birthday, Salil. What to say about you? You are one of the best people I know. A good husband, a good son, and a good father. I'm sure you're good at your job also. That's why you have reached where you have reached. Wishing you a great life ahead. 50 साल तूने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया. अभी 50 साल मजे लूट. God bless you. I love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सलील. 50 साल का हो गया. अरे वाह, मैंने तेरे पहले नंबर मारा था, अभी तेरी बारी है. और दोस्त लोग भी और आगे आ रहे हैं पीछे से. हैप्पी बर्थडे, गोल्डन जुबली ईयर, and enjoy.
Very happy birthday, Kaka. You always treated me like your daughter and guided me in my life. I want to share a memory with you. Hope you remember the same. You are a good cook. I still remember the masala pav made by you. The taste of your masala pav is still on my tongue. It is your signature dish. You are a true gentleman with a golden heart. Thank you so much for being in my life. Have a rocking year ahead.
Happiest birthday, Salil. On your birthday, I would like to thank you for being such a good example of a great human being. You are an inspiration to others and a wonderful friend of mine. I have a शायरी for you. दामन में हो आपके खुशियाँ हजार, दामन में हो आपके खुशियाँ हजार, चेहरे पे हो मुस्कान, दिल ने जो चाहा आपके, आपका पूरा हो वो हर अरमान. Happiest birthday, Salil. God bless you. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Salil, it's a half century. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Cherish the past and celebrate the future. God bless.
Salil, you are a very good son-in-law. I'm very happy. I'm very lucky also. My Minal is also lucky. We all are lucky to have you. Thank you. God bless you.
Hi Salil, Golden Jubilee year boss. 50 साल पूरे हो गए. 50 सालों में लगभग 33 इयर्स हम साथ में रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल बात करना हमारे बीच में मुश्किल है. इसीलिए थोड़ा लिमिटेड बात करेंगे. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी गोल्डन जुबली ईयर. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, स्टे हैप्पी.
Hi Salil, I hope you like the surprise today. I would like to recollect so many things about you and say so many things, but I don't think you want to hear everything, or people want to hear everything what we have done together. I remember you for the first time I met you when you and me were sitting outside the principal's room for an interview for an award in our college. You were in your 11th or 12th, and I was in my senior college. And that time you must have been maybe 16, 17, not more than that. So 16, 17 years till 50 years now. We have sailed along with, I think, 70% of your life I've known you. And it has been a great pleasure. You have been a great friend always. We've had many memories, I would say, from the college days till now. The yearly trips which we have, the frequent meets which we have, lunches, dinners, the functions which we attend, are absolute memories. And as a person, you are a gem. You are
Happy birthday, beta. God bless you. Happy long life.
Happy 50th birthday, Salil.
all the best for your future. You have been a great friend. I know you are a great family man as well. So all the best. Enjoy your party or whatever you're doing, and definitely we will meet and we will celebrate. Party to banta hai and party is pending. All the best.
Hey Salil, wish you a very happy birthday. 50 साल का हो गया, अभी तू officially बुड्ढा हो गया. Enjoy your day, man. Wish we could have celebrated it together like we did 5 years ago. Anyways, take care, stay safe, bye.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह व बरकातु व खैरु व जन्नतु व मगफिरतु। जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी मुबारकें आपको मिस्टर सैमुअल। आपके लिए मैं जो भी कहूँ शब्दों में काफ़ी कम ही होगा, लेकिन ये मेरी एक छोटी सी कोशिश आप सुनिए। Though you're not a blood relative, but I would certainly say you're nothing less than one. आपने हमेशा दोस्त की तरह, आपने मेरे पिता की तरह मुझे चाहा है, मुझे सराहा है ज़िंदगी भर, मुझे बड़ा किया है, पाला है, पोसा है। आपने मुझे घुमाया है, आपने मुझे बाइक चलाना सिखाया है। इट्स नथिंग लेस देन अ फादर टीचिंग हिज सन हाउ टू वॉक। आपने मुझे जानबूझ के गिराया ताकि मुझे एहसास हो कि उठना कैसा होता है। दैट वॉज योर लॉजिक। सुपर। मुझे दारू पिलाना सिखाया। ट्यूबॉग इनिशियली आई रिमेंबर आई गेस अराउंड 17 and 18 आपने मुझे हाथ में ट्यूबॉग थमाया था। इतनी सारी चीज़ें मुझे सिखाई है दैट आई एम फॉरएवर इंडेटेड टू यू। इनफैक्ट रिसेंटली आपने मुझे बियर बनाना सिखाया। वेल टुडे यू हैव टर्न्ड 50, बट टू मी यू आर नथिंग लेस देन 25. यू हैव बीन अ कंपेनियन टू मी, अ फ्रेंड, एंड एवरीथिंग दैट आई वुड पॉसिबली वांट फ्रॉम माय अंकल। देन आप जिस तरीके से इंतजार करते हो मेरे घर आने का, जैसे मीनल मासी को बोलते हो, श्रेया ऋतिक को बोलते थे कि अनु इज कमिंग होम, आज पाव भाजी बनाएंगे। यू टेकन अस टू टिकुजी निवाड़ी, सूरज वाटर पार्क, आपने क्या क्या नहीं दिखाया मुझे। थैंक यू सो मच। ये मेरी जिंदगी का एक बहुत हसीन और अहम हिस्सा आपने फॉर्म किया है। थैंक यू। इसी तरह जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ, स्टे काम, स्टे कंपोज द वे यू हैव लिव्ड लाइफ फॉर 50 years. Continue for another 50 years and be the commendable parent you are. I laud your efforts into parenting, and of course don't forget the innocence and denial that you've had all this while. जैसे मीनल मासी कहती थी कि this girl is dating Anish and they're going out together, और आप बोलते थे कि no मीनल, they're not dating, they're just good friends. तो maintain the denial और ऐसे ही रहिए, cool रहिए the way you've been all your life. Thank you for everything once again, Cyril uncle. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ladia. I hope you enjoy your 50th birthday filled with fun and joy. And once again, a happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Salil, Mama.
Hi, Salil. Hope all well with you and you remember me. First and foremost, happy birthday to you. And before I continue, I first want to thank Meenal for counting me in. I think it's an honor and a privilege. Salil, there are two things that I will never forget about you. You taught me how to dress well and how to speak to an enterprise customer. Your style and your aura, I will never forget. Have a great day. Wish you all the best. Do well in life and let's meet up soon. Before I end, this one is for you. Cheers, Salil.
Uncle, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day today. I wish we all could celebrate your 50th happy birthday together. Unfortunately, no. But here we are, me, babies, and Siddharth wishing you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Salil uncle. Wish you many happy returns of the day. It doesn't feel like when Yutika told me that it's your 50th birthday, I said, "ये झूठ बोल रही है, हो ही नहीं सकता." Salil uncle doesn't look one day of 30 years old, so 50 is long gone. But anyways, we wish you a happy birthday, and we are going to miss your birthday tomorrow. And Ziyeshka and Avian, Salil आजोबांना happy birthday म्हणा.
We are waiting now how you used to take us for camping. You have to take Ziyeshka and Avian also, and
Yes,
we'll also come.
camping.
But we can't wait to go camping and trekking with you guys again.
Give kissy to Salil uncle. Salil ajoba, we love you, we love you, we love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Salil.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Stay blessed.
Stay happy.
Enjoy.
Have fun.
Bye. Cheers.
Hi Salil, I know you didn't recognize me, but this is my lockdown look. I am Preetham Onskar, for most of you who don't know me. I have known Salil for the last 20 years, and it may come as a shock to you, but yes, it is 20 years now that I know him. But I have enjoyed his company the most in last 10 years, ever since we met again in Tata Power. The best part about Salil is that, you know, there are hardly any secrets between us. But that's not because we believe in transparency or anything. That's because we are the last two guys to leave any party. So we have lots to talk till then, and that's how, you know, Salil and me have shared a fantastic bond for the last so many years now. He's the only guy whom I call Bhava, and he's the best friend at work to have. So happy birthday, Salil. It's your 50th, and I still can't believe it. But enjoy the rest of the 50 years that you've got ahead of you. Happy birthday once again.
तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा सलील. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हाय सलील, जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. 50वीं सालगिरह. विश यू many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. 50 years, Salil uncle actually becoming an uncle now. I remember those days so clearly when we used to go to the bungalow and he used to take us trekking early in the morning to the nearby mountains with Fluffy and Fido. And as soon as we would come back, he used to feed us your super spicy hot sour with your own hands. And we used to go karting in the evening, and it was so much fun spending time with you, and you used to single-handedly take responsibility of so many of us. That just shows that you've always been like a father to us. You've always treated us like your own, and it's something that I admire so much about you. I know that you're probably not going to enjoy your 50th birthday as much as you deserve to because of this quarantine, but I promise that after this is over, we're going to celebrate in style and we're going to enjoy a lot. I miss you, Salil uncle. Happy birthday.
Hi Salil, 2 पैक डाउन हूँ, इसके लिए सच बोलूँगा एंड इसके लिए तेरे साथ इमोशनली बात करूँगा. ओके Salil, I have known you for 20 years and you have been one of my closest friend from Hughes Telecom days till Tata Communication days. 20 years is not a short time, my dear friend, but in that 20 years, the way I know Salil, he has not changed a bit, and that's the gem of a guy. Okay, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are turning 50, but I don't believe it. Okay, you're still in that 20s and 25s, and you're still a long way to go, Salil. लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है तू. Okay, याद रखना Salil, we have been in most of the bars till late in the night, and we have shut down the bars and we have been there till the morning. Okay, and Salil, you have been always there. I love you, my friend, and many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Salil Rane. Happy 50. I wish you all the best, a lot of abundance for the whole year, and see you soon. Party तो बनती है.
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a great day and an awesome year ahead. Cheers.
Hi Salil, many happy returns of the day. Welcome in Club 50.
Hi Salil, wish you a happy 50th birthday. 50 is just a number, and if you ask me honestly, today you have become a 25-year-old young boy with 25 years of experience. Enjoy your day, have a blast, have a great year ahead. Post-lockdown, let us catch up along with our families. It's overdue now. Cheers.
Hi Salil. Wish you many happy returns of the day on your 50th birthday, and wish you good health, success, and a great year ahead. We missed your birthday celebrations, but next year we'll do it together. Have a nice day.
Hi Salil. Many happy returns of the day. Your 50th birthday, big day. मला खूप अगदी लहान भावासारखं वाटतोस तू कायम, आणि तुम्हाला ताई म्हणतोस त्याच्यात सगळंच येतं. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड हेल्थ, सक्सेस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी अँड पीस अँड हॅपीनेस ऑलवेज. अतिशय काइंड हार्टेड अँड जनरस आहेस, तसाच कायम राहा. आणि दिलखुलास कायम तू आणि मिनल आम्हाला दोघंही खूप आवडता. कायम तसेच राहा. वी लव्ह यू व्हेरी मच. ऑल द बेस्ट.
डिअर सलील, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आई जगदंबेच्या कृपेने तुझं पुढील आयुष्य सुखाचं, समृद्धीचं आणि भरभराटीत जावं, हीच शुभेच्छा.
Salil, wish you a very happy birthday. My boss, याद है जब तूने घर से भाग के शादी की, दवा मैं ही तो बना था. Anyway, sorry for that, पर whatever it is, you are one of the most decent guys I've met. You are the best. तुम इतना you put the party में life, and always you are so happy, jovial and smiling, and really बहुत मजा आता है in your company. Always be like this, and may God bless you with all the health, wealth, happiness, and everything in life. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Happy birthday!
Hey Salil, happy birthday. Long live and prosper.
Hi Salil. To begin with, I would like to congratulate you for your half century. Completion of your half century. I'm sure you're excited. Well, तुला मनापासून वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आणि डेफिनेटली मला असं वाटतं की तुला आणि तुझ्या परिवाराला हा वाढदिवस साजरा करण्यासाठी बाहेर जायला आवडलं असतं. पण आय थिंक हा पण एक युनिक मुवमेंट आहे वाढदिवस घरी साजरा करण्याचा यावर्षी. So once again, wish you happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay fit. Take care.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, boss. Have a good day. Happy birthday, boss.
Hi Salil, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a great day and awesome year ahead. Cheers.
Hi boss, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are running half to 100 now.
Hi Salil, wishing you a big happy birthday. Have fun, enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Salil. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday Salil and a great year ahead. Cheers.
Many happy returns of the day, Salil. Have a great day and a year ahead. God bless you with long, healthy life. Stay safe.
Salil, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a rocking day and a year ahead with your loved ones and families. Be safe, stay healthy, and the party is due. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Salil. We know 50 is a new 30, so happy 20th anniversary of your 30th birthday. Have a good one and stay safe.
Hi Salil, wish you a very happy, healthy, delightful and a COVID-free birthday. Enjoy your day. Oh sorry. Cheers.
Happy 50 Salil, wishing you many happy returns of the day and wishing you the coming 50 and knockout 50 with lots of happiness, success and joy. Bye.
Hey, happy birthday Salil. For us, you are a mentor, a leader and a coach. You are an example of determination and courage. May this day and years bring a good luck, robust health and happiness in your life. Stay always blessed and once again, happy birthday.
Hello Salil, wish you a very happy birthday. We all know that you are a fine human being and a nice manager. We all pray for your long and healthy life. See you soon.
Hi Salim, happy birthday. 50 is just a number, man. Cheers.
Hi, happy birthday to you.
Hey Salil, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Salil, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you happy birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, boss. Stay happy and blaze always. May all your dreams come true in coming future.
Hi Salil, here's wishing you many happy returns of the day. So now I'm going to sing for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Salil. Happy birthday to you. Doesn't end here. You were born in the zoo. You were born in the zoo. With lion and tigers and monkeys like you. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay healthy. Have a fantastic year ahead. Bye.
Hi bro, a very happy birthday to you. God bless you. Have a lovely 51st. And may you always be number one, whatever you do. Have a lovely birthday. And may you be blessed with lots of love, peace and harmony in life. Always be happy. God bless.
सलील म्हणजे पाणी. लाईफ जगायची असेल तर पाण्यासारखी जगावी. कुणाशी मिळा मिसळा एकरूप व्हा, पण स्वतःचं महत्त्व ठेवून. पाणी वाहत असते त्यामुळे त्याला वाट सापडत असते. त्याचप्रमाणे जो प्रयत्न करतो त्याला सुखाचा व यशाचा मार्ग नक्कीच सापडतो. तुझे आयुष्य तू तुझ्या नावाप्रमाणेच जगतोस. एक चांगला मुलगा, भाऊ, नवरा, बाबा आणि उत्तम मित्र, सगळी नाती तू अगदी प्रेमाने व कर्तव्याने पार पाडलीस. तुझे परिश्रम आणि मेहनत म्हणून तू आज मोठे शिखर गाठलेस. आज तुझ्या 50व्या वाढदिवसाला मन भरून आले. व्हावास तू शतायुषी, व्हावास तू दीर्घायुषी. एक माझी इच्छा तुझ्या भावी जीवनासाठी. 50व्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आनंदी रहा.
Happy birthday, Salil Rane. Happy 50. I wish you all the best, a lot of abundance for the whole year. And see you soon. पार्टी तो बनती है.
हाय सलीम भाई, कैसे हो? विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी 50th. क्या बात है, हाफ सेंचुरी मार लिया. विश यू many more decades and very good, healthy and wealthy years. I'm very proud to have a brother-in-law like you. And I remember our first interaction जब मैंने तेरे को ऑलमोस्ट धमकी दी थी, क्योंकि मुझे सलीम सुनाई दिया था फ़ोन पे. एंड आई वाज वंडरिंग कि मीनल का बॉयफ्रेंड सलीम. उस समय के ख्यालात अलग थे. यास्मीन, अगर तू देख रही है तो बुरा मत मानना. आंचल फ्रॉम बेंगलोर एंड हस्बैंड ऑल्सो शुड नॉट फील बैड. बट उस समय तो वैसे ही सोच थी हम लोगों की. तो बाद में जब पता चला सलीम भाई नहीं है, सलील भाई है, और एक दो बार हम लोग मिले ओवर ड्रिंक्स. वी ब्रोक द आइस एंड नाउ वी आर लाइक बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. आई एम ओनली अपसेट दैट वी कुड नॉट सिट टुगेदर और चेयर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं हम लोग. बट वील मेक अप फॉर माई सिल्वर जुबली, फॉर योर गोल्डन जुबली एंड फॉर many other celebrations. And I love many things about you, one of them being that you are a very dedicated father, husband and son. Keep that up always. And I've always seen you working so hard from a young age. किसकी याद आ गई मुझे? अरे मेरी और किसकी? Anyway, you're getting rewarded for that overzealousness and your hard work. It pays and it will continue paying you huge dividends. Let's hope. Luxury का साल है, 6 नंबर का, वेनिस का, और you going settlement in Europe, UK. ये मेरी काली ज़बान से प्रिडिक्शन भी है, दुआ भी है तेरे लिए। एंड एक फ्लिप साइड है वीनस का, इट मेक्स अ पर्सन ओवर इंडल्ज इन द गुड थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, खाना पीना वगैरह। सो आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट एस्पेक्ट। आई नो मेरे मुंह से अच्छा नहीं लगता है ये बात सुनना, लेकिन मैं खुद 3 महीने से आई हैव लॉस्ट 7 kgs एंड हम लोग बीवी की बात नहीं सुनते हैं, लेकिन जब डॉक्टर और पैथोलॉजिकल लैब रेड लाइन मारते हैं तो झक मारा के सुनना पड़ता है। एंड आफ्टर ऑल वी आर क्रॉसिंग दैट एज ऑल्सो, यू आर ऑल्सो क्रॉसिंग 50 नाउ। सो प्लीज वर्क ऑन दैट एंड स्टे हेल्दी, टेक केयर ऑफ दैट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ and enjoy things for longer time. Have a great year, have a great decade, have a great life. Meet you soon, not very soon, in some weeks or months after everything is fine. Meanwhile, take care, keep rocking. Love you, best wishes. God bless you.